Doorbell video intercom systems are getting more and more popular. Here are 3 things you should know before buying one. Number 1. It allows you to see who's at your doorstep, and you can easily communicate with them using your smartphone. Number 2. It comes with a rechargeable battery that can last up to 3 months on a single charge. And number 3. It is weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting ruined by the elements. Get your Doorbell video intercom camera today with a special AliExpress 54% discount and free shipping offer.